to read off it, right? You can tell me. Okay. Hi. I want to ask how I proposed to you guys.
Cool. So you want to just first start off with the fact that we're trending on the top thanks to your amazing fans. Aishwarya on Fame is the hashtag that's trending right at the top. You're not on social media, but
I know, but I'm aware of it. I'm aware of it. I know how it works.
How does it feel to be trending at the top?
I just want to say thanks to all of you, and I hope I'm hopeful to get the right spot. You guys are just the best thing ever. So much love, so many good wishes. Even without being on social media, you're being me up, and I can't thank you all enough for it because it's wonderful when people keep coming and almost enviously share with me the love that I get to experience from all of you. You are the reason I do what I do, the way I do it and how I do it. You inspire me to give my best. You give me the strength to choose the roles that I do and to take the risks that I do and to have my conviction in place. So in short, you guys liberate me. And I can't thank you all enough for your love. I reciprocate it right back. Honestly, love you. Dilse.
I'm going to ask you a few questions that we've been getting live as well. साहिल का एक सवाल है, आपको कितना वक्त लगा सरबजीत के रोल के लिए तैयारी करने में?
तैयारी या तैयार होना, as the can be a double-edged question. But I'll say that तैयारी के लिए हमने ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लिया in terms of preparation because as an actor I focus on the writing, especially on subjects such as this. It's reality, ये fictional नहीं है. तो राइटिंग उत्कर्षणी जी का बहुत अच्छा रहा इस स्क्रिप्ट में और we completely just dived right into starting the film. What I did focus on very briefly, because we didn't have that much time in terms of pre-production or prep, I was very concerned and interested in the detailing of the visual. क्योंकि मैं जानती थी कि आप सभी देखते ही कहेंगे कि नेचुरली मैं और दलवी जी एक दूसरे की तरह बिल्कुल नहीं लगती, लेकिन जब उमंग ने ये तय किया था, उन्होंने कहा कि आई एम वेरी वेरी क्लियर that this is I want you to essay, I want you the actor to essay this part. So for me it was important that I bring that truth, I bring that earnestness, and when you visually have all the details prepped, my approach to my job is I just become the character on a daily basis, and that is so I take a lot of personal interest in every aspect of the detailing of the character, even visually, in the costume, when there's aging involved, how much to age the hands, how much to work on enhancing age factors, the graying of the hair. Personally, get it doing myself when it comes to pigmentation, detailing of if you're going for dark lenses for the eyes, then how do I show in the aging in the eyebrows to that extent. When it comes to increase in body weight in the film, it has to be gradual. I mean, पहन है शलवार कमीज, लेकिन फिर भी उस character में we have done that kind of detailing because I felt it kind of contributes to even the gaze, even the walk of the character, the personality, the approach to every situation. It's just so much more believable, and that meant a lot for me, the actor, in my approach towards the detailing.
Pankhuri wants to...
Even the accent, I mean, if you're talking about that, I know it's a long answer. But on the accent, I want to say that while Punjabiyat hai, Dalveer ji ki accent mein agar dekha jaye, to it is a little more refined. Because she also, there's a lot of Hindi also in her speech, in the way she speaks, because obviously over the years, she moved out of just limiting herself to her print or her area, and she was a working woman to begin with, and she traveled out a lot more, interacted with a lot more people. Or हम भी अगर देखें कि influences our accent, हमारी भाषा में भी, and that is there in her accent in front of maybe the rest of the family members, or even when she meets Sarabjit, because the logic was Sarabjit went missing and then he remained confined in the company of himself for so long. So he would still be in that same sad pocket of time. And yet hers has been so much more interactive with other people and more so circumstantial. So that while there is Punjabi, they've still kept the her accent has a little bit of refinement.
आलोक का एक सवाल है.
It's a 1 second. I just watch all that. Everybody is filming me and having videos going on.
आलोक का सवाल है कि सरबजीत करते हुए क्या आपने कभी अपने भाई को याद किया था और अपने रिश्ते को याद करते हुए कुछ अलग किया?
I don't think that would speak very highly of a person if a person did that. ये नहीं कि फिल्म करने के बाद ही मैं तो अपने भाई से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, उनकी बहुत उन्हें बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ. ये लफ्ज़ों को मतलब एक इंटरव्यू में बताना भी आई थिंक समवेयर रिड्यूसेस the parkness, as you say, the purity of our relationship. But yes, I will never मैं कभी नहीं हिचकिचाऊंगी आपसे शेयर करने में कि मैं उनसे कितना प्यार करती हूँ. मैं उनके लिए कुछ भी ज़िंदगी भर हूँ और वो जानते हैं. इसे ना किसी जवाब में बोलना ज़रूरी है, लफ्ज़ों में इजहार करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये दिल की बातें हैं. ये एक हम अपने माता पिता के बच्चे हैं और हम दोनों जानते हैं. हमारे माता पिता भी जानते हैं कि we'll always be there for each other. In terms of getting in touch with that emotion of a sibling, जबकि मैं अपने भाई की छोटी बहन हूँ, लेकिन भाई बहन का रिश्ते में I don't think after a while in life that comes into play कि कौन बड़ा है या कौन छोटा. वो तो जो प्यार है, वो रिश्ता है, वो है. और मैं इतना ही बस कहूँगी कि मैं सोच भी नहीं सकती कि किसी भी इंसान पर किसी भी रिश्ते में कभी इस तरह के अनुभव हो या किसी भी इंसान को इस तरह की इस तरह का संघर्ष, इस तरह के जो परिश्रम जो इन्हें करना पड़ा. I wouldn't wish it upon anybody whatsoever.
So there are of course a lot of questions coming in that say, please sign more movies, please come on Twitter, please come on Instagram. I'm going to try and take the best of those questions. Aishwarya Rai Online, which is of course one of your biggest fan clubs on the internet, they want to know, सरबजीत जैसे demanding role के बाद क्या आप कोई lighter film करना चाहोगे अभी?
You know, I think it's always been an interesting mix. मैंने कभी ये शुरू से नहीं सोचा है कि I want to do this kind of film or that kind of film. ना कि जज्बा के बाद I thought कि मैं immediately do yet another, albeit very different and very intense film. It's just that the opportunity presented itself और उमंग ने कहा कि I'm ready to start now. मैंने कहा अच्छा, तो तुरंत वो शुरू हुआ. और बाकी के जो स्क्रिप्ट्स थे जिस पर डिस्कशंस हो रही थी, they took a bit of a back seat because that took off immediately. और इसके बाद आ रही है दिल है मुश्किल, which is very different. Very different. It's very different from this. So yeah, my viewers will get to see. एक प्रॉमिस ये जरूर रहा है जब भी अपनी कई सालों से knowingly unknowingly कि मैं जब फिल्में करती हूँ एक साल में तो अलग अलग किरदार को मैं ले आती हूँ अपने दर्शकों के लिए. And that variety is very obvious. Like there'll be a historical, there'll be an intense piece, maybe there'll be a regional language film, and there'll be one fun, light, frivolous, call it what you want, modern. That kind of piece will also always be there mixed in. So interestingly, this year too, the way it's panned out, there's been a Jazba, there is a Sarabjeet, and then there is an Dil Hai Mushkil. Already, all these are done and released or releasing, and then up ahead, the announcements will be made.
Nitin wants to know, what was Aradhya's reaction to the Sarabjeet trailer? Did you ever take her on the shoot of this film?
You know, Aradhya and me are like, I think, joined in the hip. So, which I have seen so many times. So, yeah, my planning of my life now, I think of every day when you wake up, it's a part of my soul. So everything works around that in terms of the way I plan my day. And if it works, like when I first started doing Jazba, almost every other day, she would come from play school, which were long hours. She would then join me if I was shooting in Mumbai. So why lose 2 hours of traffic time here and not be with my child? So obviously, she would join me and we'd be in the trailer. She's never come on my set. It's always been in the trailer, and then, by the time we wrap, I spend quality time with her whenever there's time in the making of the film. हो जाता है, lighting में वक्त निकल जाता है. Why should I waste that? I'm obviously spending time with her very happily in the trailer. So there's a lot of mama daughter time. And when we meet Sarabjit, that time's gone. She's also growing up, so that time is also becoming less. So she's also now gone into big school. So and there was some done here, so she would sometimes come, but again not on set. It would be in the trailer. But yes, interestingly for her here, by then though I've never sat and made a big deal about we work in the movie, see our posters, none of that. But she's aware of the job that we do. Obviously, it's in the face, I think, all around, and so. But there's no major chatter about it. I think it's come very seamlessly with the flow, and not much talk about it. Not sitting and showing trailers and all that. No megalomania that way. कि आओ भाई देखो, हमारी film आ रही है. She's a kid. We're not going to do that. So none of that going on. But yes, when she came on the set, in the trailer, she saw me as Dalbir ji, so she knew that this is different. So I kind of made a joke out of it, and I was like, this is like playing dress up, and I've become like an Ajji, and I'm playing this part, and I kind of exaggerated more. So she said, "Oh, that's funny," and she found it like really funny. It's not funny remotely, but through her eyes, I made it funny. And then one point, of course, she goes like, "So will you soon become mama?" So I'd be like, "Yeah, in a bit." So I'm sure for a second it took her head, but then she accepted and that is absolutely normal. And I'm wearing lenses in the film. So at one point, one had come off and she saw me and she was like, so I said, Minion, Vida, because there was one brown and one green, and so she like cracked up and she said, oh, Minion, Minion, and she found that funny. So she said, you're becoming a minion now, and I said, no, I'm becoming a character. It's like one brown and one green, so she found that hysterical. So you kind of make it light, you make it funny, but then you get back to doing what you're doing. And so that's interesting. I don't know, I've developed this incredible switch of going tuck tuck from like immense intensity, and then of course we absolutely completely in the moment with her when I need to be. And I've discovered I have that ability. You're discovering yourself as well,
That was actually one of the other questions that's coming in. How do you manage to multitask being such a full-time mother and also have such
By
fantastic...
not asking that question to myself and just going with the flow and giving everything your all, and that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it to be. I mean, I think if you commit to whatever you have wholeheartedly, you actually travel light.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually less stressful. I think if you don't and you're like literally just trying too hard, then you probably discover everything collapsing around you. I think, dare I say. I hope I haven't spoken too early. But it's hard work, huh? It's damn hard work. And but it's the sweetest fatigue. I always say that and I mean it. Now whether you believe it or not, that's my truth.
काजल का सवाल है कि आपने किचन में क्या पकाया था लास्ट?
Parathe, as the lead core, parathe, and also it was wonderful. While on that note, I got to do seva at the Golden Temple, and that was beautiful. It was surreal. मतलब माथा टेकने तो कई बार गए हैं और हमें वो अनुभव मिल चुका है, लेकिन ये अनोखा रहा, and it actually felt amazing. Discovery doing that, and how the work in the kitchen is there, and how the food gets prepared for langar, and बहुत पाक है. It's lovely.
Mm-hmm. Shekhar, of course, the whole buzz is about you going to be back at Cannes this year. What can we expect you to wear at Cannes this year? Are you actually going to
Confession, I also don't know. I'm just like 2 days away. I have no clue. So have your fun by critiquing, praising, trolling, do whatever you all want. I am so busy with Sarabjit. There's so much work, as you say, multitasking on another level. So I'm going to try my best to tickle you all pink or have you all enjoy the view, whatever goes with that part as well, because that's also a professional commitment, including dolling up. It's part of that turf. I'll do my best. I hope I'm able to meet up to all your expectations. But life is very much in the way. As a professional, it's extremely busy. I'm right here, right now with you, and otherwise with her or with him. There's a lot of media work going on, and also it's a weekend. I'm going to be traveling with my daughter. A lot of packing to consider, a lot of work. So let's see what I manage to whip up.
Khushbu wants to know how good is your Punjabi and can we actually hear a dialogue from the movie?
यार इस आवाज में अभी आपको डायलॉग सुनना है. Trailer, see, watching the trailer. I I love the writing of this film. So to pick any one dialogue would be really really difficult. But probably one of the most powerful ones, which I love about हम हिंदुस्तानियों ने कभी पीठ दिखाना सीखा ही नहीं है. That came straight from the soul. I mean, I absolutely actually all of it. When you watch the film, you'll know. And the reason I'm saying straight from the soul is it can be validated by the director. Barely one, if you're lucky, a second take was ever even taken by him of my work throughout the making, because it's not about I don't know if he felt he got the take, but as far as I'm concerned, it would be straight from the soul. So whatever I had to deliver would be just there and out there, and I think he'd feel okay. It's in the cans. He's got what he needs, and move on. In terms of the Punjabi in the film, we have maintained it, but like I said at the very outset here, that we luckily have the slight liberty that we could take with Dalvesh ji's character, not for me, the actor, but more for even the audience, because we are making a Hindi film. If this was, we discussed this in great detail. I'm glad you asked this question, and I hope the critics are listening, because the critics are listening, because people will get into saying कि अच्छा शायद इसलिए इतने पंजाबी में नहीं कहे कि ऐश्वर्या could or couldn't. But the point is, we logically said 1 minute हम पंजाबी फिल्म बना नहीं रहे हैं, हिंदी फिल्म बना रहे हैं. It has to reach a diverse audience, because that's the intention of the film. It's a story which needs to reach beyond the borders, has to reach every Hindustani, and people have to be able to understand what we're saying. So logically, Sarabji's character went missing and was in the company of himself largely for over 23 years. So his Punjabiyat would be very, very strong. When it comes to Sukhpreet and her intimacy with her daughters, she was a broken wife. I mean, she was a broken lady who still had the responsibility of running her home, and became a more internalized personality, and she stayed strong for her children, but at home largely. So even her, she's in a way also stuck in a time warp with her, for her, about her love for her husband. And when it comes to Dalvesh ji, she did not have a choice. She had to up there and go out. She was a working lady before marriage. And so that already brings about a little bit of there's a lot of exchange in terms of language, diction. And then from there on, she was interacting with the media. I mean, even I know, coming from a Mangalorean family, and then I started working in Hindi films, I know how much my Hindi has brushed up and polished up over the years, because I speak dialogue, I'm interacting with dialogue writers. This is what we moutily speak. The language does change, does get a different sense of refinement in terms of the accents. So that's something we've consciously maintained. Even, and we are aware of when we have essayed Dalvesh ji's personality in terms of the dialogue and the accent, and it's intentional. But so we brought in at times she'd say pai because there's a pai, but at times she'd say bhai, because at times when you say it fast, you want it to get lost in the dialogue. घर को कार कहते हैं, लेकिन मैं हर बार कार नहीं कहती. I'd say घर also at times, because in the dialogue you want that to be heard. You don't want that to get lost in car, where people think car क्या हो गया, कार क्या कह रही है. You don't want people to think it's a car we're talking about. It is about घर. So it's intentional, where at times I've maintained it, at times I have let it be to get the intensity of a certain dialogue. So that is something that we have consciously decidedly done for the viewers.
शिफा का एक सवाल है जो बार बार कई और सारे लोग भी पूछ रहे हैं कि आप ट्विटर, फेसबुक या सोशल मीडिया से दूर क्यों रहते हो?
अभी तो बातें तो कर रहे हैं, और दिल से, प्यार के साथ, खुशी से. There's so many explanations for it. I mean, now it's amazing. I keep thinking शायद I should do it really soon. And that soon में वक्त निकल जाता है, तो हर बार वीडियो ऐसे या soon, लेकिन हो नहीं रहा. So maybe soon. But शुरू में I consciously stayed away, because it was a bit of a rat race. That's the way I looked at it, and I felt everybody was getting onto it as it engaged. कि कितने followers हैं, हम कितने popular हैं. I'm sorry, I was not interested in that drama. I you all have given me enough confidence and faith. I mean, you all are so loving. I've got such support from all of you. I did kind of want to belong to that announcement, that kind of perception. And so I kind of stayed away. Then also sometimes I felt people felt obligated to give an opinion on any and everything. And that sometimes I think even you all don't want that noise. यार कभी कभी नहीं देखना चाहते कि प्लेट में क्या खा रहे हैं, कि कॉफी कैसे दिख रहा है, और आसमान कैसे दिख रहा है, और खिड़की के बाहर हम क्या देख रहे हैं. Maybe you want to hear something else. Who knows? So I was like, okay, I'll meet you all when I do, and I do very often. We are at all these functions. Yeah, I've been in your place for a while. So
I don't think anyone's complaining.
so I'm like, through that and through all of you, I'm interacting constantly. But yeah, it's exploding through the stratosphere and beyond. So whether it is Twitter, Facebook, or a new format of who knows, your own apps or whatever else, all these are coming about, and the world is getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and there are different avenues. So I don't know which avenue I'll choose, but yeah, this world. I will get into. I have to. I should. I want to stay connected with you too. So we'll figure a way. We'll figure a way.
I'm sure it's addictive for you to know the kind of love that's coming in. The questions are just pouring in. Unfortunately, I can only take as many as I can. There's some cool stickers that say jackass and awesome sauce and kisses and lips that everyone's obviously throwing your way. Unfortunately, we'll have to let you go because you are a busy person. Do you want to wrap up?
Other media calls, believe you me, और कुछ नहीं. Media calls है और भगा रहे हैं because everybody's going like, this is what's going on behind here. You know, halfway through an answer they do this, and I'm like, excuse, this means snap out of it. How can I snap out of an answer? Please tell me. Well, I try, and excuse the voice. So now see, you know ना, this voice मैं नाटक नहीं कर रही थी. One of the shows that will come में जो clip आ रहा है, गवाया है मुझे. Mika made me sing, man. I was like, my voice. So now you know for a fact it's gone.
He
I
also
would like
made
to
you
believe I'm a
dance.
better singer. And I was hoping one day I would open that patta and see me sing. Abhi ho gaya. Someday I'll sing better. But I have a sore throat, so excuse it.
But is
But
there
it
a
works for the
favorite song
character.
from
I
the
mean, I wanted to use this voice. I didn't want it to stay with me. But I wanted to use this voice for the character, which I did. But at this point, it's still with me. So I don't know how long you're going to hear me like this. But yeah, meant to be.
Is there a favorite song that you want to wrap things up with? Or
Thanks, man.
Or a message for
You're
your fans?
amazing. Thanks for your love and support. Yeah, that's very
I'm
cool.
going to get trolled if I don't try.
No one wants to hear me sing with this voice. I just like to say thank you so much for all your love. It will mean a lot, and I'm not plugging if that's the way it gets read, but it will mean a lot if you watch this movie because, you know, we have done it with that. I mean, I've done that with the conviction that these stories need to be told. These stories need to reach an audience for the larger picture. And people will believe in making films like this and telling stories like this in our industry if films and stories such as these find the audience. Otherwise, I guess they will continue remaining news reports or documentaries. But we really hope you support a film and a story like this just to strengthen our conviction that this kind of cinema will receive an audience. So, thank you.
It's been such a pleasure having you on Fame. For all the kisses and the hugs that are coming in, you want to just reciprocate with a kiss maybe for all
I
your
just
fans?
did. I've been doing that all along. Right. Thank you.
It's been such a pleasure having you on Fame. For all the kisses and the hugs that are coming in, you want to just reciprocate with a kiss maybe for all
I
your
just
fans?
did. I've been doing that all along.